So much tragedy with these natural disasters over the last couple of months. We mentioned Hurricane Lee a few minutes ago. Let's go back to that for a second. Talk about the latest trajectory and timing for this one, Sean. What's it looking like?
It mentioned it was going to weaken, and it will as it gets into cooler water. But as they were saying during that story, the wind field with this expands to the point where we're going to have issues anywhere from Boston going into Halifax as we get into the weekend. We're talking Saturday into Sunday. And what's kind of fascinating about this is what controls our weather also helps steer Lee. So it's kind of an interesting how this is all tied together. And let me show you how Lee will thread the needle between this high pressure system out in the Atlantic and then what's bringing us the cool setup that we have, or cooler, is this upper level trough, and so it pulls Lee up. A lot of times with these tropical systems in the northeastern U.S., they actually eventually curve toward the northeast. With Lee, and this is, again, you see how broad that tropical storm force wind field is. With Lee, it's almost a due north approach here. And this is by 6 a.m. Saturday. There's going to be onshore wind there in Halifax. It's offshore in Boston, but to the tune of 40+ mile per hour wind. So a lot of areas are going to be impacted by this, and we'll be watching it closely for you. Possibly some flight delays here locally or cancellations because Boston's going to be impacted. High pressure, that's the story for us. We mentioned that's our weather player for the weekend, that frontal system that will be coming in here Saturday into Sunday. We need some rain. We're starting to see an expansion of abnormally dry conditions, and it's not a surprise. We're not going to get a lot of rain with that front that we just showed you, less than 1/10 of an inch mostly. Do want you to know though, Sunday scattered to at times numerous showers. Since the 15th of August in Indianapolis, 3 inches below average on rainfall. Right now we are at 73 comfortable degrees. Your rush hour forecast, it will be clear and it will be cool and it will be sunny. And like today, we're back into the upper 70s here. Haven't tweaked the weekend too much. We're still going sun in the morning on Saturday, clouds coming in the afternoon, but we're going to go at least a 50% chance on Sunday of seeing showers. It's a quick hit of rain chances. We're back to sun and we're back to 80s next week.